bottom first. Let the skin just a bit.
Ito na guys, luto na siya guys. Ang sarap tignan. Lo.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hello. Bihis na ako guys. Pasensya na. Nagbihis ako ng pang garden. Yung para sa labas kasi hindi din maganda yung, well, I mean, mainit siya. Maging 63 ngayon, 50 degree na. So, mamaya maging 60 daw. So, kaya lalabas ako. Pero, mamaya na. After 12, 11:36 na, mamaya after 12 ako lalabas. Dahil, hindi ako pwedeng lalabas kung hindi ko maalagaan yung asawa ko, guys. Kasi, kailangan kong i-cover yung kamay niya. Kasi, ang nagdugo-dugo. Nilagyan niya ng glue, guys. Kasi ganyan yan siya kapag mahiwa or may butas yung skin niya. Yun, nilagyan niya ng glue to stop the bleeding. So, ngayon, ang gagawin next is lagyan ng itong mga ito. So, kailangan lang siyang alagaan yung asawa natin. Ako yung nag-alala kapag merong something yung asawa ko, kailangan kong, pero kahapon, pinagalitan ko yan. Nagalit talaga ako kasi sabi ko sa kanya, wag siyang maggalaw-galaw kapag meron tayong bisita. Kahapon, nandito si Brenda, and then sabi ko, wag maggalaw-galaw kasi gusto ko, kapag may ginagawa siya, palagi akong andon, naka-check, tumitingin, tumutulong. Ganyan kasi ako eh. At alam niya yan, sanay siya sa akin, na kapag meron siyang ginagawa, andun ako nakatunganga kung kailangan niya ng tulong. And then, i-remind ko palagi, kasi ano yan eh, careless yan eh. So ngayon, sabi ko, pumunta siya sa office. Sabi ko, halika na, tapusin mo yung ginagawa mo. Careful ka sa kamay mo, kasi yung mga sa table is sira na. Pag maganon yan sa edges ng table, adoy, ginoo ko, di ba lalaki, dugo-dugo naman. Ganon. So, kaya, ako maano pa naman ako, hindi man ako matakotin sa dugo. Parang ano lang ba, parang ako yung naka-feel ng sakit. At saka para sa akin, parang feel ko na sa akin yung dugo. Ganon. Sabi ko, hindi ako lalabas sa garden, hindi ako magtrabaho sa labas kung hindi ko makaver yung hiwa mo sa kamay. Kasi, alam ko talaga kapag hindi mo yan ika-cover, adoy, matandog yan kahit saan talaga, maganon ba sa kahit saan. Kasi, adoy, ginoo ko. Puro lang tayo, adoy, ginoo ko. Kasi guys, ako talaga yung parang feeling ko, ako yung nasasaktan. What is that? Why they call that witch hazel? Why not just spray and cleaning wand?
That's well, they call it.
Okay, there's no hair. Look at it.
No hair.
You only buy one of this?
I thought I had two of them. This is the smaller one?
That's the smaller one you have.
Right.
The
The other one
bigger.
was too big for it. Pointless. This isn't even necessary at this point. But
No, but we need to. Okay. Okay. Just this one is to hold it, right? Yeah. And then one round to hold it right.
sure.
Sorry. Hindi ako complete, guys. I'm not complete. Ito tayo ang complete. I can just cut it with the hand, right?
You just rip it.
Rip it?
Yeah. The bottom first. Let the skin just a bandage. And then one up here. And that's it.
No, you see?
That's all
Okay.
it is. Yeah.
No. Be careful. Ako'y ginoo ko. Ako'y ginoo ko. Pagka-careless ba yan itong asawa ko? Careless whisper. No, you're gonna cut your freaking thing again. No, you're cutting your hair, love.
Okay.
Come on, give me a kiss. Come on. I love you.
Love you too.
You are my baby.
This has to. It's getting unsterile by the second. It needs to go back in here.
I'll do it. Is Roxy's outside though?
Yeah.
They really forget us. And your son is sleeping. I know, but look at him. He is sad looking. Oh, he is sad looking. Anyway guys, so andito po tayo guys. Tapusin ko lang yung ginagawa ko dito guys. At sana matapos ko to. Laka eh. Ang dumi-dumi ng camera ko. Tapusin natin. And marami pa kasi akong gawain dito eh. Dito linisin ko pa. And then kailangan kong ito dito, mas malala ito dito na side eh. Malala dito. So tarungin, ayusin natin. Ayusin natin dito. Ito bulaklak yan ay. So magtanim tayo dito ng bulaklak pagkatapos guys. Hi guys, hindi ko na-continue doon guys, nagka-poison ivy agad ako, so linisin ko lang tong side kasi yung mukha ko nagka-poison ivy agad, yung mukha ko. So doon tayo, sabihin ko sa kanya kasi yung mukha ko. Nak tayo, nasan si Mister? Look, Roxy, look.
In a forest we never seen, we'll be sleeping in. Oh, one day all the love will somehow become your way. All your pain will fade to.
Hi guys! Andito na tayo guys sa loob ng bahay. Meron tayong clip sa GoPro. So meron andito tayo sa loob ng bahay. Han, can you let me do all this thing, Han? Uy, can I do that? Can I do that now?
Yeah, talk to your camera. You got the camera going.
No, let me do that please. Let me do that. I don't like when you do that.
Why that?
No, I don't want you to keep forcing your hand and then you won't able to let that hand, you know. Okay, come on. Why this thing is kind of like bad? Hi guys, so andito tayo guys. Luto lang kami guys kasi ano na. So magbe-bake lang ako guys ng salmon. And then Tommy told me to grind some, how do you call that?
Burritos.
Do we have that? Oh, you hand ba?
Blocking my view of food.
No, he doesn't love me now. Be careful. Garapindi. Halahan. He's mad, Han. He's mad.
She didn't get no food.
You know what he's doing when he's mad?
Play with fish.
Yeah. I let Tommy cut cheese, guys, for the salmon. Because now, that's a new thing. I found it on YouTube. How to bake a salmon recipe. And of course, I have here the leftover from our anniversary expensive. Tommy doesn't enjoy food thingy. So, he doesn't finish his thing. And I don't know why. So, he's gonna finish it tonight. And me, I'm gonna have salmon. And this is what he's gonna have.
You're gonna have it.
No, I'm not gonna have it.
Here, is that enough cheese or you want more?
I think more.
Just wait until I like egg cheese so I can do more. Tell me, that's 3 slices. Tell me how many more slices you want.
This is 3 slices.
Right.
I need more 3.
When I want things cheesy, so I have cheese in everything.
Oh my God, you're always showing people that how bad I am. That's how he is, guys. Like, this is like, you think my wife is such a good wife? No, she really is a
She
bad
says it's
wife.
a little cheesy, but when I say put cheese on, oh, you need to have cheese on everything?
That means in real life, what's in his heart, that I'm just really a bad wife. Complainers.
I mean, in real life, it's very obvious that it's nice when she wants it done that way. I'll put cheese in an omelet. Oh, you don't need cheese in an omelet.
Seriously, honey.
Scrambled egg with cheese? I don't have cheese. Everything you gotta have cheese.
Guys, because I like eggs, the way eggs it is, no cheese. We grew up in the Philippines.
Did you ever have salmon with cheese before?
No, but a lot of people like it. A lot of people like it. If Filipino like it, that means I will like it. You know that?
I don't think that's what it means.
So, Allah, what happened, guys? Tommy is a crazy guy. This is what he did, guys. You know, he has a cut in his hand. And you know, he do like this. Oh, guys, it hurts me. Oh my God! I can't. Oh no! Did you hear you when it?
Yeah, don't work that way for me.
It hurts me when Tommy does it to himself. You know, when they said when you get married you become one, whatever.
One what? We're trying to figure out.
Okay, guys, ilabas ko na itong Dracula na ano. Oh, diba? Cheese. Oh, diba? And then, ibalik natin siya sa oven. Gonna be a long, long time. La 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 la. Ang sarap ng cheese. Ito na, guys. Luto na siya, guys. Ang sarap tignan. Look. Salmon with cheese. Nam nam nam.
Get down.
You cannot attack the bunny. Marami, we have a lot of bunny outside. Guess they're hiding the mountainy over there. And now, Tommy tasted. So I wanna let's ask Tommy. And
Come on, boo.
Tommy's favorite stuff is all in here. Anyway, guys, we're gonna end the vlog. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Kita-kits tayo bukas. And, yan.